Floridians know how important our ventilation and air conditioning systems are. We need them to be reliable, functional, and long-lasting, right? So let's meet the family from HI-VAC Air Conditioning Services, who have been doing this for generations.
I'm the owner of HI-VAC Air Conditioning. I started in the industry in 1976. We are comfort specialists through the trade manufacturer. We specialize in high-end equipment, high-efficiency equipment, inverter technology, which takes a lot of humidity out of the house. That's our specialty.
My dad and I have been working together since about 2014. I started full-time, came on board. I love the industry, love being a mechanic. So my sister, Samantha, started roughly 5 years ago. And I'm so thankful because now she's running the office. Without her, we wouldn't be where we are today.
We are a member of the ACA Association, which is Air Conditioning Contractors of America, and we abide by a code of ethics.
When it comes to in-home comfort, it's not just about how hot or cold it is. Peter explains.
Well, here in South Florida, our biggest concern is humidity. If you take two houses at the same temperature, one house being lower humidity and the other house has higher humidity, you feel uncomfortable with a lot of humidity at the same temperature.
Making sure that the air we breathe is clean is essential to living in South Florida.
Before you think that fixing your HVAC is a DIY project, think again. They are also very fluent in repairing and servicing higher-end AC equipment, which can be the best choice for comfort and efficiency.
We don't want to just be the run-of-the-mill. Anybody could kind of get up there and throw in any unit. You get off the streets. Air conditioning is conditioning the air you're in, not just throwing in some piece of equipment and hoping for the best.
We offer what we call a PPMA. It's a Peak Performance Maintenance Agreement. And we go twice a year to your house before winter time if you're going to run your heater. And that's very important because you want to be safe running your heater. And then in the springtime before summer comes, and we clean out the units and make sure they're always working at peak performance.
Our maintenance agreements are like getting oil changes on your car. You're never going to go months without getting your car tuned up, changing the oil, changing the air filter, making sure that your car is running good, because it's something you use every day. I know it goes under the radar, but so is your air conditioning. Down here in South Florida, we use our AC about 365 days out of the year, and it goes unnoticed because it's just something you walk into. The importance of this is you get longevity, you get no costly repairs, hopefully, and just an extension of life and an energy bill as well. Keeping up with it, making sure the filter's clean and that it's breathing easy. These are all very important factors.
The air you breathe is important, and Peter and his family are up to date on the latest technology.
Everything we have here, we test in-house. We're very up to date on the indoor air quality that we use. UV lights, I waves, ionizers, and purifiers for the homes. We think it's very important just for the allergy sake and just for being in a healthy environment for your kids and your family and just for peace of mind at the house.
They have great relationships with their vendor partners and are ready when you are. And even when you're not, they offer free in-home consultations for replacements.
If your unit is over 10 years old and you're thinking that you are paying high electricity bills or you're getting a lot of service calls to repair things and replace parts, I suggest you to consider replacing the unit with a high efficiency unit that's going to save you electricity, give you the 10-year parts and labor warranty, so you're worry free for 10 years and you got yourself a good piece of equipment and you could depend on.
It's almost unsustainable to go more than a few days without AC down here. So that's why we pride ourselves on getting there and being reliable and making sure that we're always answering the phones.
Want to know more about HI-VAC Air Conditioning Services or their apprentice program? Visit HI-VACair.com or designingspaces.tv.